relevant departments.
Thank you, member. And I call the member for Moreton.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. As Deputy Chair of the Joint Parliamentary Committee on Human Rights, I've had much to do with the Human Rights Watch. They've brought to my attention the fact that they've been monitoring Israel and the occupied territories for 30 years. But recently, they've had there's an upcoming Israeli Supreme Court hearing against Omar Shakir, who is Human Rights Watch's Israel and Palestine Director. Now, there was a suggestion that he's to be deported, basically. Amnesty International has raised this, a group of former Israeli ambassadors has raised this, other international bodies have raised a concern about this, that to actually deport someone who is actually monitoring and watching to make sure that human rights are not being infringed upon in Israel. Now, I'm not going to make judgment on the individual case. If people want to have a look at what is Omar's case, they can Google it, they can look at the Washington Post and others that have put op-eds on this. But I would suggest that it's a dangerous precedent for a healthy democracy like Israel. I know that there will be hopefully Australian diplomats will be there attending the hearing, which will be open to the public. But it would be a dangerous precedent if we would a good, strong democracy like Israel was to deport someone for just monitoring what was going on in Israel and the occupied territories, something that the Human Rights Watch has been doing for 30 years.